Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have your presentation open and a high-resolution background ready. Now place it correctly. First, insert the image via Insert Pictures onto the target slide so you see scale and crop. Once placed, right-click the image and choose Send to Back to Free Foreground Content. Make sure to lock aspect ratio when resizing so the image doesn't stretch. This preserves quality. If you plan to reuse it, note whether you want the background on a single slide or across the whole deck. With the image visually placed, switch to Format Background to make it permanent. Choose Picture or Texture Fill and insert your file. This embeds the image as the slide background rather than a floating object. Once applied, adjust transparency to improve text contrast and use offset/XY or tile settings to control positioning and repetition. Make sure to select Apply or Apply to All depending on scope. These settings ensure consistent behavior when you move slides or export to PDF. Finalize by opening Slide Master and applying the background to specific layouts so new slides inherit it correctly. This reduces manual work. Check readability. If text is hard to read, add a semi-opaque rectangle overlay or increase image transparency and adjust text color for contrast. If you see pixelation after export, reinsert a higher resolution file, ensure embedding instead of linking, and use compress pictures with appropriate target resolution. If backgrounds disappear, confirm compatibility with the viewing app and reapply in Master View.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.